Imagine you have a stash of money, a little secret treasure. You've been saving it up for something special, maybe a vacation, a new car, or even a down payment on a house. But what if you need that money now? How do you turn your stash into liquid cash? Well, today, we're going to explore one popular option, selling money on stash. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to sell your money? I know it sounds a bit strange, but it's actually a real thing. And in this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can do just that using stash. Understanding stash. Before we get into the selling process, let's first understand what stash is. Stash is a popular investment app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds, even with small amounts of money. But it also offers a feature that allows you to sell your investments and withdraw the proceeds. Steps to selling money on stash. Log into your stash account. The first step is to log into your stash account using your username and password. Navigate to your portfolio. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your portfolio. This is where you'll see all of your investments. Select the investment you want to sell. Choose the investment that you want to sell. This could be a stock, ETF, or bond. Specify the quantity. Indicate how many shares or units of the investment you want to sell. Review the order. Before confirming your order, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Pay attention to the selling price and any fees that may apply. Confirm the sale. Once you're satisfied with the order, confirm it. Your investment will be sold, and the proceeds will be added to your stash balance. Withdrawing your funds. Now that you've sold your investment, you might be wondering how to get the money out of stash. Here are a few options. Instant withdrawal. Stash offers an instant withdrawal feature that allows you to transfer funds directly to your linked bank account. However, this might come with a fee. Standard withdrawal. If you don't mind waiting a few business days, you can choose a standard withdrawal. This option is usually free. Important considerations. Before you decide to sell your money on stash, there are a few important factors to consider. Market volatility. The value of your investments can fluctuate. If you sell when the market is down, you might not get as much as you hoped. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with selling and withdrawing your funds. Tax implications. Selling investments can have tax implications. It's a good idea to consult with a tax professional to understand the potential tax consequences. Selling money on stash can be a convenient way to access your funds. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. By understanding the process and considering the factors involved, you can make an informed choice about whether selling your investments is the right move for you. If you have any questions about selling money on stash or want to learn more about investing, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.